we are home and it is now 6:35. Yeah, this is the pizza. Hawaiian. Look at the box that they have. It's an Italian box. Yo, good morning guys. It is now 9:22 and yeah, I'll be having a driving lesson by 10 o'clock. And I just finished this YouTube and I'm going to prepare.
Alright, set your seat up.
Yeah.
Are you recording now?
Yeah, it's
okay. Alright, so what's the first thing we do? You set up your seat. Put your seatbelt on. Okay. Then on the side, up and down. Sit, pump yourself up. Keep going. Okay, well done. So, remember how to do it. Put it in drive. Oh, did you adjust the mirror so you can see through the back?
No.
Adjust the mirror first. Sit.
Yeah.
Okay. Back, those windows okay? You can see through those mirrors?
Yeah.
What about this one? Can you see at the back?
Yeah.
Alright. Put it in drive. So when I say shoulder check, you go like that. You turn your body, yeah? Your chin has to go over your shoulder so you can see. That's it. Making sure there is no car there. No car. Indicate. No car. Indicate to the right. That's it. No car. Let's go straight. Okay. Keep going. When you're coming here, it's a big drop off, so go nice and slowly. Slower. That's it. Keep going. That's it. It's nice and slow. Boom, boom. Oh. Oh. That's why I say slowly. Straight. Doing good, Robbie. That's it. Keep going straight. As we get closer to the end of the street, we're going to turn left. So you indicate now to the left. Move the car a little bit over towards the left. That's it. Okay. At the roundabout, Robbie, we're going to take the third exit. So we're going to go right. So go up to the roundabout, nice and slow. And you indicate now to the right. That's it. So as you approach this roundabout, use your brakes, slowing down. We want to stop where the white lines are because we want to make sure before we enter the roundabout there is no cars on our right. So checking the right, go down a little bit more, Robbie, but stopping here. After this red car, you can go enter the roundabout. Let's go. So keep going here, so you can see the tire.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Nice and slow. Road. That's it. And it's 40 along here in Nelson Bay, so your speed should be on 35. No more than 35. If you go to 40, the car will go to 41, 42, and that means you're speeding. You're breaking the speed. Alright, straight ahead, mate. That's it, Robbie, you're doing well. That's it. The whole important thing is to be scanning what's in front of you. Watching out for dangers. If you see a big hole in the road, you try to avoid it. Okay, to the right, having a look to the right, no one there, no one in front, let's go. Okay, let's go. Straight ahead. That's it. Sitting straight down, mate. Well done. Accelerate now. Back to 45. That's it. Doing well. Okay. Alright, let's go. So Robbie, you know, that was really bad what you just did back there. Come on, accelerate. When you are turning, we are coming to a T intersection. You can see it's a T intersection. You can't go straight, right? It's a T intersection. You can either only go left or right. So I asked you, we're going to turn left. And I asked you like 40, 50 meters back there, you're going to go left. That's when you start slowing down.
Oh, that driving lesson is made me sweat a little bit. Look, it's wet now. I don't know. I feel that I can drive already, but safety and security is not yet 100% for me. Yeah, I'm not looking in the mirror. Didn't check the side. Not yet. I really need to have more practice and guidance. I still need to learn a lot of things about driving. I'm having a hard time to control the speed. I don't know, it keeps on or maybe it's because of the car. Yeah, I don't know. Whoa, look at that, it suddenly become rainy and super windy. Yeah, the storm is actually just gone, and it is yeah, it's blue sky again. And because of that, I'm going to put back this one outside. Also this, oh, actually this one is drop. It is so windy again outside. It is now 4:25 and I am hungry again. I'm going to recook this one. Put it there first. Put it here. A little oil. A little bit of this bok choy. Also 1 piece of egg. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Yeah, I just finished my duty. It is already maybe 2:10. I have this because I'm going to send it to one guy in Newcastle. Because if you remember last time, yeah, I posted some of my stuff. I posted it to for sale, and yeah, yesterday there is one guy. He wants to buy that GoPro case. And the same like yesterday, it is very windy this time. I hope there's no driving lesson today. So I've been driving now for 3 days, and I'm not comfortable yet. Before leaving the kitchen, yeah, Rafael said that there is new COVID cases in Maitland. Maitland is about 1 hour drive from here. Yeah, similar to Newcastle. So, not good. Oh, look at this. This is something new. Look at that. They added more soil. See, it is now higher. Nice. The muddy way is gone. During my vacation, my holiday, they made this amazing. Oh, look at that. Because of the strong wind, there is this. It's hard. I can't do that. Oh, just now I realized today is Saturday. There is no post office today. Yo, it is now 3:05, and also I already took a shower, and nice, smells good. And I'm preparing my meal. In here I already put seafoods, water, onion, and also I'm going to put this one. Also a little bit of this vermicelli rice. They already sent message to the guy who bought my GoPro Hero 9 case. Yeah, I said that, oh sorry, I forgot, I was not aware that today is Saturday. No post office today. I will send it on Monday. This is a bok choy. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. And like what I've said before, it is not busy these days because of the COVID lockdown in Sydney. Today we did just 33. And we are 2 in the kitchen. It's my executive chef and me. So my executive chef, he is working in the office, and he's also the one who washes the dishes. In other city like in Dubai or in the Philippines, you don't see the executive chef doing the dishes. And of course he is also helping me when it is busy. Because it is not busy, most of the casual they don't have a schedule, they don't have work. So most of the people that are working in our restaurant are the full-timers. And that is one advantage if you work full-time. You are the priority to work. There's one lady walking her dog, so we're going to let her go first. And I will show you this. Yeah, there is so much water in here because of the previous rain. When I was a kid, we usually play in a place like this, usually after the rain. And sometimes we are able to get like a catfish. We call the hito. Yeah. When I was a kid, yeah, most of us, we are not scared of a place like that. But these days, I am very scared to get inside of that. It looks very dangerous, like there is a snake. There's a family gathering on the back. Nice. Oh, my car, Jimny. Oh, yeah. If I'm going to buy a car, not a Jimny, because I've seen a review of Jimny. It is beautiful. I still like it, the exterior, but I don't really like the interior. Yeah, I saw one Filipino lady. She bought a new Jimny in the Philippines. She reviewed it and she liked it very much, but yeah, not for me. I still like the exterior, but for my first car, I will buy just the second hand. The reasonable, affordable, yeah, available. That one. Any car. But I prefer the one that you can put bed inside. Yeah, that I can use for travel, camping. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. The greatest love of all is easy to achieve. Oh, today is not very windy compared to, yeah, yesterday was very windy. I mean, actually the previous 2 days was very windy. Look at that, every tree doesn't have leaves anymore. I am going to the Chinese restaurant. I'm very hungry. Nice. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. And they have more here. I'll go to eat in the Chinese restaurant. And this is what I'm going to have. The usual fried rice, spring roll, chili soy. Okay, that's it. We go. We're going to the grocery. We're going to buy something like a snack for my cup of coffee later. Oh, this one. We're going to take one of these. Very long time since the last time I got this one. We're again going to take one of this avocado. 2 for 5. 5? Yeah, 5 pieces, and it's $4.90. This one is still hard, so after 2 days we'll be ready. You know, it's good to vlog when there is a mask, because people doesn't know that I am talking. Oh, do you know that I forgot my key inside? Yeah, I realized it when I was in my workplace. I was about to use my access key, but yeah, that's I realized. Oh, I forgot my key inside. The good thing is I have my other key, because already 3 times that I forgot the key inside. That's why I now have a duplicate. It is now 3:35.